how to turn off the display on your Toyota CHR 2023. So sometimes when you are driving, you don't want the display to be switched on. That can be distracted. So to quickly switch it off on your screen here, I'm just going to press on the menu button, and at the bottom here, tap on display, and from here just tap on screen off, and that will allow you to quickly switch off the display. To switch it back on, you can press one of the buttons here, and that will turn it back on. In here, you can see you can also adjust contrast and brightness. So instead of switching it off, we can go into general, and from here you can change the brightness to make it dimmer if you want. So instead of turning it off, you can make the display to go dimmer. You can change the contrast here, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.